Hey, this is Andrew from AJS Woodworks, and in this video I'm going to show how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2019 through 2023 Chevy Silverado. This is the air filter I'm going to use to replace my old filter. It's the GM Genuine Replacement Air Filter. I'll put a link in the description below for you to be able to purchase this exact filter. So the first thing you want to do is come to your lower glove box and open it up. You then go to the sides here and press in. And do that on both sides. It helps if you use two hands. It'll then drop the glove box down like this. And then you can come to the side here, and there is a little arm, as you can see right there. Just pull that arm to the side and your glove box will drop down. Keep a good handle on it though, because it will drop all the way down. So just take your finger or your thumb and push this arm out to the side, and it pops off of there, and then you can lower down your glove box. Now that you have the glove box out of the way, you come up to this honeycomb looking structure and to this end here, and you just press this in and pull it out. So you press this tab and pull it out, and then you can press it to the side. Here's a look at how it's connected there. You press this in, it detaches from that side, and then you're able to slide it out this way. Then you'll see your air filter here, and you can just pull that out. Paying attention to which side goes up. So it has a arrow there showing which way to orient it. Filter's pretty dirty. This is the first time I've replaced it. You want to replace it a little more often than every 60,000. I think it's every 20,000, but I'll put it in the comments if I'm incorrect on that. So that's pretty dirty. We'll go ahead and put the new one in. That's the old one and the new one. They're the exact same filter. So you can see that I should have replaced my cabin filter much sooner than I did. So we know the orientation. Those arrows go down. We go up here and slide it into place. Just push it in, and it kind of clicks into place there. Then we'll get our cover, slide this in sideways. So you want to make sure this little tab is slid into the end there. And then you also have to make sure this tab is slid in. So pull it off to the side and then snap it into place. Make sure that's snapped into place. And then you can put the glove box back on. So get those hooks, lock those into place. And then we'll come over to the side here and snap the arm back on. All you have to do is pull up slightly on the glove box, pop that back on, and then all you have to do is just push the glove box back closed. It snaps back in, and you're good to go. So that was how to replace the cabin air filter on your 2019 through 2023 Chevy Silverado. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll have a link to the correct cabin air filter for your truck in the description below. Thanks for watching.